I have no idea what part is this, but it says crossbar inside chair. Okay. I think, yeah, this is the inside crossbar. Yep. And then legs, the front legs. Right. I'll put it down on the floor. Forward. Good luck, Shanna. Good luck. And then this is the seat box. I'm gonna grab the back rest. I got the backrest. Okay, and so, oh, I like the color. Once I assembled everything on my own, I doubt I can do the tables on my own. The table, but if I manage to do the chairs, 6 chairs on my own, I think I'm gonna accept part-time. I'll offer it on marketplace. I can simply assemble from flat pack from now on and then charge them per hour. I think that will be a good outside hustle, right? Yeah, that's it. Shanna, the businesswoman. I just hope I don't fuck this up. Oh God, if I drop it, it's broken. Yeah, my dining table is bit old and it's wobbly legs. So I decided to buy a new one as a gift to myself. Because I deserve it, right? And yes, so hopefully these are all good. Because sometimes when you order something online on, like Fantastic, this is from Fantastic, sometimes they deliver, it's broken. So hopefully there's nothing wrong with it. So everything will be smooth and I don't have to return anything. So I think I'm on the right track. Left leg. This is the left. Okay. So it should be this way. I've got no idea if I'm doing it correctly. But that's it. Yep, looks promising. And then the right leg. That's it. Woohoo! It's supposed to be like this. Yay! Yes. Proud. See that? I just need to put the screws and everything that needs to go there. Haha. That's it. I'm doing well. Got the Allen key. We'll be needing it. And then it says it's 2 small bolts. H2. H2. What the fuck do I need it for? And then I did H5 and H6. Alright, got it. I got it. So where do I put the H1? P2. H1 goes to the H2. H2. There's only 2 H2. H1. H1. There's 2. Right. Let me open the H2, H2, and then with H2, I need H5, 2 H5. Oh, H5 is a little long, too many, 2 H5 and 2, I need 2 H6. Should wait for my son to come here, but I think he'll be here tonight, but I need to make it. Don't know who that is. Somebody's calling me. I don't care. So I need the H thing. That's it. Okay, it's the H2. Then I need the H4. The H4. This one. Ow, something pinched me. So the H4 goes on the side, I believe. I'm gonna show it to you. Ooh. So I won't do this yet. I'll just put it there just to make sure I have the correct one. The next one I'm gonna put are here. This one. There's 4. So there's 4 holes, 2 in there, 2 in here. I'll have a look if I can fit it in. So I'm not sure if I'm putting it the right way, but oopsies. I'm just putting it there. Then that's it. Leave it there for a while. And then another one. Oop. What's the purpose of these things? Why does it have 2? Can you just put 1? That's it. And then one more, 2 on the other side. I'm not sure if I'm putting it correctly, but it's my wild guess. Haha. So, see. There's a shiny bit, the top one, which I presume will be the top, and then the flat bit at the bottom. Just a guess. You'll never know. Oh, so what's this one for? No, that's not how I do it. Ay. Am I doing it correctly? I'm not sure. Oh, it's not coming in. Ah, I'm stuck. I'm stuck in there. Yeah. So, this is not coming in. So it's not in the right hole, I think. There you go, that's better. So, yay! So I'll do the other one too. It's not coming in as well. Oopsie. Oh, shit. Don't be surprised if I have to like spend a week on doing everything. Like the table, this. The table, I am sure I can't do it alone because someone has to hold the other side of the table while, you know, I might have to ask my ex to help me with it. If they are willing to help me, or some other people that I know, or my friend's husband probably, whatever, or maybe a co-worker. I won't tighten this too much because I don't want to damage it by removing it again if it's not going to be working. So, okay. I wish my father was here. He's still here to help me because he already returned to Philippines. But I guess if he's here and he's gonna help me, we're just gonna be arguing because I'm so bossy. Anyways, I'll show you when this is finished later on.